Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your iCloud password on your iPhone. It's a simple process, but a crucial one for keeping your account secure. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step, making sure you understand each step. Whether you've forgotten your password, suspect a security breach, or just want to update it for better protection, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to Fix Zone for more iPhone tips and tricks. We're always posting new content to help you get the most out of your devices. Okay, let's get started. Screen recording starts. Step 1. Accessing settings. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the gray icon with the gears. Show close-up of the Settings icon and tap on it. Step 2. Navigating to Apple ID. Next, tap on your name at the very top of the settings screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. If you're not signed in, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID and password first. Show close-up of the Apple ID and tap on it. If not signed in, mention signing in. Step 3. Security and password. On the Apple ID screen, select Password and Security. It might take a few seconds to load, so be patient. Show the Password and Security option and tap on it. Briefly show the loading animation. Step 4. Changing your password. Now tap on Change Password. Show the Change Password option and tap on it. Step 5. Authentication. You may be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode or use Face ID/Touch ID for authentication. This is just to verify it's really you changing the password. Show the Face ID/Touch ID prompt or the passcode entry screen. Step 6. Creating a new password. On the Change Password screen, you'll be asked to enter a new password and then confirm it. Remember, choose a strong password, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or name. Show the new password entry fields and highlight the importance of a strong password. Step 7. Finishing up. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, tap Change in the upper right corner. Show the Change button being tapped. Step 8. Sign out options, important. Your iPhone will now automatically update your iCloud password. You may see a prompt asking if you want to sign out of other devices. This is a good idea, as it ensures only your new password works on all your devices. You can choose to sign out all devices, or keep certain ones signed in. If you choose to keep them signed in, just be aware that your old password will still work on those devices until you sign them out manually. Show the sign out options and explain the pros and cons of each. Screen recording ends. And that's it. You've successfully changed your iCloud password on your iPhone. It's really important to keep your password secure and to change it periodically, especially if you suspect any unusual activity on your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.